Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI for Beginners with Python series. So far, we have explored how to handle and visualize data. But today is the real deal. We are entering the world of machine learning, the heart of artificial intelligence. By the end of this video, you'll understand what ML really is, how machines learn from data, the difference between supervised and unsupervised learning, and we'll even build a mini demo model together. Let's jump in. First things first, create a file and import libraries. So we created a file called episode5.py and imported numpy, pandas. From sklearn we imported linear regression and k-means. Let's start simple. What is machine learning? Machine learning is the science of teaching computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. For example, if you feed a model hundreds of house size and their prices, it can learn the pattern and predict future house prices without you writing a formula yourself. In traditional programming, you give rules, data, and then comes the output. But in ML, you give data plus output and machine finds the rule. That's the magic of AI. How machines learn from data. Think of it like studying for exams. You study from past papers, you learn patterns, and when a new question appears, you can still answer it. That's training versus testing in ML. In this program, we are going to learn the difference between training and testing. Let's also import our matplotlib library. For training data, we are going to create two arrays and name them as xtrain and ytrain. Let's create a test data, one which machine hasn't seen this before. Xtest equal to np.array 6, 7, 8. Now we are going to train a simple ML model using linear regression. Then we are going to predict and visualize it. Let me write the code and show you the output. So these are the lines of code that I wrote. And you can see the red points are predictions, values the model guessed after learning from training data. That's how machine generalize knowledge. And on the terminal, we can see prediction for test data. It gave us the values 12, 14, and 16. Now that you get training and testing, let's discuss the two main types of ML, supervised learning and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning, the data has labels, that is answers. Then the model learns from input-output pairs. For example, predicting marks, classifying emails as spam or not spam. In unsupervised learning, data has no labels. The model finds hidden patterns on its own. For example, customer segmentation, grouping similar products. Let's quickly see both in code. We created two arrays x and y, where y is equal to 3 times of x, then used linear regression and predicted the numbers. Supervised learning. Here, our model has learned the pattern y equal to 3x automatically. That's supervised learning in action. After that, we created another array and used k-means to group the points into clusters and then plotted it. See how the k-means algorithm automatically grouped the points into clusters even though we never told it what's what. That's unsupervised learning. Let's recap what you just learned. We learned what ML is, teaching machines to learn from data, training versus testing, like studying versus giving an exam, supervised learning with label data, unsupervised learning without labels, and some real world examples. For supervised, we have email spam fillers, price prediction. For unsupervised, we have market segmentation and recommendation systems. And that's it for today's episode. Now you know the foundation of every AI model, how machines actually learn. If this helped you understand ML basics, drop a like, subscribe, and comment below. AI is learning. See you in the next episode.